What's up, guys? Today's video, we've got a crap ton of fruit, as you see, and we're gonna be destroying them with my boyfriend.
That's why I brought 3 apples.
I've got a cannon. That's
why I brought 3 apples.
Fuck, that was me. That was all me. I'm actually Chud. I'm actually a Chud. What the fuck? That was not me. Fuck!
Wow,
right here! Right
Holy
here!
shit, you're back!
Right here! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, boy! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, YouTube! Fuck yes! Fuck yeah! Fuck that! Fuck! Fuck yeah! Oh, that fucking smells terrible! Fuck! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! So bad. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! 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 Well, now YouTube, what we're gonna be doing, since I forgot my helmet at home, I'm gonna be using this cooler that I have. Canada, eh? I'm gonna be putting it on my head, and my boyfriend over there is gonna be throwing tomatoes at my head. So yeah, let's get this.
Rancid more, buddy.
What the fuck? No!
You're getting a rancid one.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Ah! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Ah!
Never mind.
Stop, I don't want to hit you in the back.
Oh.
Never mind.
Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Now we've got Macon here with his huge ass sword that he has for some reason, and we got some of the pineapples. Macon, come show the sword.
Holy shit. This thing's about to explode.
Look at this thing.
This is so
How long is it?
bro.
It goes up to my nipples when it's standing. So.
I grazed it.
Go.
Wait, he is?
Oh, YouTube.
Well, I told him.
YouTube.
Okay, now we've got all the sodas lined up here, and yeah, so this is another one of those just like really expensive videos, so if y'all could just go down and like and subscribe so we can make it, and yeah, so I don't believe you. What's up, you motherfuckers? Today we're fucking frat boys, bruh. What?
to. Clean up montage.
No, we don't want
it's already cleaned
I
up.
just want people to think that we leave shit dirty, bro.
Yeah, we don't give a fuck.
We're fucking dirty.
Frat life forever.
Anything's windproof if you say it is.
I have like really good lighters in my car.
For what reason though?
Hey, go. Don't do anything crazy, okay? Recording.
I am. Don't turn hard. I'll die. Oh fuck. Here. You too.
Oh fuck!
Keep that speed.
Fuck YouTube. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? Oh, we're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. We're fucking chilling, we're chilling. Oh, we're fucking chilling. Oh, we're fucking chilling.
Why are we doing this? Died.
Yo, what's up, boys? We are at a park right now, and we're about to go try to see if some kids will throw some eggs at my car. See if they'll be down to do that. So, yeah, first, I guess let's just go find them. Fuck, that sounds really bad. It's on camera right now, me saying that I allow y'all to throw eggs at my car. I promise. Where y'all want to throw it at? Just let me know when so I can record it.
Alright, bro. Alright, you go. Alright, bet. Oh. Mark, pull that shit. Go, bro. Oh, yo, how did you miss, oh my god. Alright, bro.
Alright, well. Thank y'all.
Alright, it's scary, bro.
Oh, hold up. Alright, thank y'all.
That was nice, bro. Appreciate you.
Thank y'all, of course.
You have a good one.
Y'all know where I can find some other people to do it?
Shoot. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, like maybe come by the parks like in a later. Like,
Alright.
people are like normally at the park.
Oh yeah,
like,
yeah.
Courts.
Alright, well I'm gonna drive around and try to find some. Thank y'all again. Oh, the fucking handle.
Oh, what's your channel?
Huh? And check the back bumper. It's so fucking hot outside. I think they're cooking on like my windows. Hey, what's up? From all the way downtown. Boing! So now we're gonna drive around while the car looks like this and record on the Meta glasses and see people's reactions. We've already got some reactions of people like driving by watching me do this to the car, so it's gonna be pretty funny, but yeah. Oh, we got the first one.
Fuck, Chaz.
I fucked it up.
No, Chaz, you're fucking perfect. You're actually perfect, Chaz. No, you're perfect. Don't ever say that about yourself again.